This is Richard back at you. I was just going to do a little short video on some updates we do to a 6L80, 6L90 transmission. All of them come in with bell housing and pump stator failure because of the torque converter just destroying itself and pumping all the metal through them. But anyway, we are only using GM bell housings and stators right now, no remans or anything. We bought a bunch of them. We were smart and bought a bunch and put them upstairs. But anyway, once we get the stator in here, we pull the pressure regulator valve and the boost sleeve and valve out. We go ahead and upgrade it right off the bat. You can see here a factory GM how the lands are really tiny here, and then you can see the Sonex one here, and then even on the back one you can see Sonex extends it on the back right there. See that on both sides. Now when they put grooves in it like that, it's self-cleaning. The valve is able to clean the bore all the time if any trash gets in there or anything like that. But you can get this in a couple different ways. Now you can get their Sonex pressure regulator, valve and spring and drill bit and check balls that go in here, or you can do a zip kit and then it'll come individually bagged. Okay, so your drill bit, your two little check balls in there. But what these balls do is they're not check balls, they're plug balls to plug this hole right here. But anyway, this was an orifice, and what you do is you drop one of them balls down in there and you take a small punch and you ping it down in there where it doesn't come out. And then you take this little bitty drill bit that comes in the Sonex package too, and we use a really slow speed drill. It's a really small shank because the bit is so tiny. And then we'll use a little bit of oil, and then we'll come in here. There's a lip right there. You're gonna drill all the way through there into this channel right here. Give it a little bleed orifice hole right there, okay? Then you're gonna come in here, you're gonna clean it out. You're gonna put this new valve in there. You're gonna take the spring from the existing kit, put it over in where the Sonex spring is. You're gonna put it inside, then you're gonna put that in. And then you're gonna take the Sonex boost valve, if you haven't opened it up yet, right here out of there. And you're going to slide it all together, and when you slide it, this pin right here is what holds it in. Really simple. So, like I said, you can get this in different ways, just a package there. Just remember, when you buy this one, you don't get the boost valve. You just get the pressure regulator valve and spring and drill bit and check balls. So, pretty simple, guys. But I just wanted to show you another great upgrade. Definitely from Sonex. Guys, this is just a small video of a 6L90 rear planetary assembly on the loop cover. Anytime you get these in here with any type of converter failure or anything like that, they just fill the training pump full of metal. And this cover right here sets on the rear planetary, and you can't get it off without destroying it, but you can't get the metal out of it without taking it off. So you can clean that planet all day long and you ain't gonna get all that metal out of there, okay? It's a big old planetary. Definitely gotta get the metal out. These are the oil feed holes for the pins. Now here's our new Sonex cover here that we're gonna be putting on. So it's on there like that. Well, what we did to put this cover on, they got in the instructions, they want you to use a 6L80 plate and another drum out of, I don't see my instructions, but what we did is we took a C6 third gear backing plate and we chamfered it on the edge here. That way we know it sets flat on here like that, okay? And then we got a 4T60E 1-2 drum, band drum, and we're going to TIG weld that on here for a permanent fixture, and we're going to make that a tool so we can start pressing them on there like that. So pretty simple, but we're going to get it over in the press it on. They say it'll take about 1,000 foot-pounds to put this on there. It pops onto a groove right in here. There's a groove. See what it looks like. So definitely a big upgrade, guys. We did get our Sonex loop dam cover pressed on, and guys, it was really simple. I was impressed on how easy it went on. You'll think it's not going on, and then all of a sudden it'll just go pop, and it's popped on all the way, nice and smooth. Now, like I was telling you, we used a C6 direct drum backing plate. We ground the edge off, that way it set flush on there. And then we grabbed a 4T60E 1-2 drum, set it on there. And then we took our bushy driver, set it on there. And then we sat over there on the press and popped it on, and it just went on beautiful. So really simple. Like I say, you can't reuse the original ones because you will destroy them all. There's just physically no way. So, but isn't that a beauty? There you go, guys.